Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most colorful and fun products for kids. The Desire Deluxe Hair Chalk for Girls Makeup Kit. If you're looking to add some vibrant flair to your child's style, this might just be the perfect solution. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Desire Deluxe Hair Chalk offers a set of 10 temporary hair color pens in a variety of shades including blue, green, gray, pink, and purple. It's designed to be a creative and non-permanent way for kids to experiment with their hair color. Non-toxic and water-soluble, making it safe for kids of various ages. Each chalk pen is easy to apply and can be washed out with regular shampoo and water. The colors are vibrant and work best on lighter hair shades, though darker hair can enjoy a fun tint as well. Now, let's talk about the application process. Simply choose a color, apply directly to dry hair, and blend as desired. It's like painting with chalk. The chalks are a bit sticky, but it doesn't affect the overall look once applied. Just a quick blow dry can set the color in place for a more vibrant appearance. I'll demonstrate how easy it is to apply these chalks and show you the before and after results. Let's pick a color and get started. Wrapping up, the Desire Deluxe Hair Chalk for Girls Makeup Kit is a fantastic option. If you're looking to add some temporary color to your child's hair without any commitment. It's safe, fun, and versatile for various occasions. If you're interested in trying out this product, I've left a link in the description below where you can find more details and purchase it for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this one.